In today's digital age, our lives are deeply intertwined with technology. From online banking to social media, we rely heavily on the internet. However, this connectivity also exposes us to various cyber threats. Understanding and implementing effective strategy for computer crime and cybercrime defense is crucial to protect our personal and professional data. Step 1. Understand the landscape of cybercrime. Before defending against cyber threats, it's essential to recognize what constitutes cybercrime. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime refers to illegal activities conducted via computer or internet. Common examples included phishing, where fraudulent emails or messages tricking individual into revealing personal information. Next, ransomware. It's a malicious software that locks user out of their system until a ransom is paid. Next, identity theft. Unauthorized use of someone's personal information for fraudulent purposes. Data breaches. Unauthorized access to confidential data, often leading to information leaks. The growing threat. According to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, in 2023, there were over 8 lakh reported cybercrimes complained in the US, with losses exceeding $10 billion. This highlights the escalating nature of cyber threats and the importance of proactive defense measures. Step 2. Implement strong cyber hygiene practices. Maintaining good cyber hygiene is akin to regular health checkups. It's preventing and essential. For this, use a strong, unique password. Avoid common password. Refrain from using easily guessable password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password. Implement multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Regularly update software and systems. For this, install updates promptly. Software updates often contain patches for security vulnerabilities. Use antivirus and anti-malware programs. These tools help detect and prevent malicious software attack. Next, be cautious with emails and links. For this, verify email sources before clicking on links or downloading attachment. Ensure the sender is legitimate. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Hover over links to see the actual URL and access its legitimacy. Third one, secure your network and devices. Protecting your device and network is a fundamental in cyber crime defense. Secure Wi-Fi networks. Change default router password. Default credentials are widely known and can be exploited. Use a strong encryption. WPA3 is currently the most secure Wi-Fi encryption standard. Next, install firewalls. It enables built-in firewall. Most operating systems come with built-in firewalls. Ensure they are activated. Consider hardware firewall for added security, especially in business setting. Next, regular backups. Automate backups. Regularly backup important data to external drive or cloud services. Test backup restoration. Ensure that backups can be restored effectively when needed. Step 4. Educate and train yourself and others. Human error is a significant factor in many cyber incidents. Stay informed. Follow trusted cybersecurity sources. Stay updated with latest threats and defense strategies. Participate in webinars and workshops. Many organizations offer free resources to educate the public. Train employees and family members. Conduct regular training sessions, especially crucial for businesses to ensure employees recognize and respond appropriately to threats. Prompt a culture of security. Encourage reporting of suspicious activities without fear of reprimand. Steps 5. Know the legal framework and reporting mechanism. Understanding the legal aspects and knowing where to report incidents is vital. Familiarize yourself with cyber laws, Computer Fraud and Abuse Act (CFAA), a key US legislation addressing cybercrimes. State laws. Each state may have additional law pertaining to cyber offenses. Report cybercrime property. FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center is the primary platform for reporting cybercrimes in the US. Local law enforcement. Report incident to local authorities, especially if immediate assistance is required. So in conclusion, we can say cyber threats are an ever-present challenge in our interconnected world. By understanding the nature of cyber crimes, implementing robust security practices, educating ourselves and others, and being aware of legal frameworks, we can significantly reduce our vulnerability. Remember, proactive defense is the best strategy against cybercrime.